Today we are going to Poland. We are going from Helsinki to Poznan. We'll be reaching Krakow at 8:17. The train is now on time. This was our train and that is the way or exit. Let's go. This is inside of Krakow central station and there is a big mall, it seems. So it has 3-storied mall and we are still going inside the Krakow central station and going towards Old Town. Just came out of the Krakow central station and this is the area, like it has a square area just in front of the central station and we are heading towards the Old Town now. Our first destination, Reynek Goni. So that is the square area, main market, main square area of Krakow, and here we will get to see like 3-4 attractions in one place. So this is the area and I'm just showing you the surrounding around. Early in the morning, it's 9:30 and this is looking beautiful. I think this is town hall. I'll just check once again. And we came from that side, so we see this first and then we'll go and explore the other attraction. Okay, my mistake. This is not the town hall. This is St.Mary'sBasilica. And let's go inside. We went inside to St.Mary'sBasilica, but unfortunately the photography was not allowed, so couldn't video the inside. But it was really beautiful and like maybe it is very old and but rich in culture and it is so beautifully decorative. I don't know how to describe it, but it's a must go. Like whenever you are in Krakow, please do and book visit and go inside. This is Sukianis, which is the cloth hall. So now we are going inside the cloth hall. This is inside the cloth hall. Looks like it's a market area and there are many shops we can get to open. And this is the tower of the city hall. Let's find out if we can go inside. So we are now inside of the underground museum and there are many things from 12th, 13th century. So we just saw goldsmith. Let me go back to again. It was goldsmith workshop, 12th centuries. So they have put the stuffs from 12th centuries. Let's see some of them. This is a water pump from 12th century and that is the water supply at that time, like till century water supply mechanism. This is the miniature of whole Krakow city. These are all the things they found from 12th century, and that time people were using this kind of stoves. This is some interesting kind of auto or tuk-tuk, what do you call in Thailand. Similar thing you can see here in Krakow. And we are now going to the Oscar Animal Factory. So that is also another museum. And Krakow seems it's full of museums. There are many museums. We have chosen some of them. Here's all the names who died in the World War II and some pictures, some deadly pictures. These are the original pictures of that time. So now we have come to the salt mine, which is in Basilica city, which is around 50 minutes away from Krakow main station or main market area. So we had took the tram first and then another bus to reach here, and here we will probably spend another 1 or 2 hours, and this concludes our Krakow sightseeing for today. After that we will try to go to Wawel Castle, which is another spot left, but we'll try to spend some time here and then Wawel Castle. So we are on time and we are stick to our plan. So after Wawel Castle, I think we have covered all the major attraction of Krakow. And so this Krakow and Poland is my 42nd country, and if you have missed my previous travel vlogs, please watch them. You will not see all the 42 countries there, but you will get to see at least 6-7 countries because I started very late, but I'll do my previous travel vlogs also. So but it will take some time because I'm traveling every weekend now, so it is getting increased. Now I will clear this list and then I will go to the previous ones. So please do subscribe to my channel and see the older videos, and stay tuned for the salt mine. It's all made up of salt. Wow. Now you can see the castle and the water body. So this is also Central Station and we are so tired.